Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the software environment. Install Razer Synapse 3 and sign in. Once done, connect the mouse and confirm firmware is current so Hypershift functions correctly. Next, open the mouse's device page in Synapse and locate the Hypershift toggle. Enable it. You do this because Hypershift relies on Synapse profiles and updated firmware to map secondary functions reliably. Now that Hypershift is enabled, you're ready to choose which key will act as your Hypershift modifier and begin assigning alternative functions. Now configure the Hypershift layer itself. Pick a convenient modifier button, often a side button or DPI toggle, because ease of access matters for quick use. Once chosen, enter the button Remap Editor, enable Hypershift for that button, and switch to the Hypershift layer to assign alternate functions like macros, media controls, or keystrokes. Make sure to test each assignment in the target game or application. This verifies timing and prevents conflicts. If something feels awkward, swap the modifier or adjust macro delays to suit your workflow. Finish by saving your Hypershift profile and deciding whether to bind it to the device or your cloud account. Bind to hardware for on-the-go use. Then, sync and test the full workflow in realistic situations so you confirm sensitivity and latency are acceptable. If Hypershift doesn't respond, first ensure Synapse is running and firmware is current. Then verify the profile is active and the chosen modifier isn't used by another app. One key troubleshooting tip: restart Synapse and rebind the profile to the mouse to clear common conflicts quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.